I'm using this demonstration to show you how great the circle, if you hold the pen down, works, and the detail is usually more impressive because you can hold the pen down and it'll straighten it or make the circle perfect for you. Shading is very important, and you just got to keep adding, as you can see on the wheel. It looks very tedious amount of work for a wheel, but it really pays off. You'll see it at the end. A little bit of a cheat because you can see here that there's again the circle is perfected if I hold the Apple Pen down. There you go. It looks really impressive, but it's again one of my little cheating top tip tricks. I'm now adding highlights, which makes all the difference. The car, the reason why I chose yellow is just to make sure that the actual design that goes on the shop is balanced. So I already have a blue McLaren and a red Ferrari, of course, always red for Ferraris. And I'm now just adding highlights, and the darker yellow looks a bit ugly there, but it really pays off because it looks, at the end, all that detail, all that shading really gives it that sort of wow factor. And then I'll be adding white. As you can see in the photograph, there's some real highlights there from the showroom lighting, and we're going to throw that in as well. The rough sort of charcoal effect, or chalk effect, that's the pen I'm using, is really important in this design because I don't want the card actually to look too digitally drawn. I want it to look like a drawing because it's going to be a repeat pattern, and I do want a bit of a softer feel. So I'm very careful about the colors I use, and almost sort of a lot of detail, but it looks a little bit sketchy, which is fun. And here we have the items, and you can see the yellow car, Supercars, which of course I'm a bit of a petrol head.